All right, welcome to this video. I'm gonna explain how I did the lab for my exercise for the Patrol and Wonder AI system. So, the first of all, the obvious thing is that you can see I set up this cute little scene where um, its purpose is to quickly demonstrate the the AI system where I have some stairs, I have some walls, colliders to be baked into the nav mesh surface. So we can quickly look at the hierarchy here. Um, I have waypoints, which is empty objects as the parent for the for the five waypoint throughout the map. And then I have the environment, parent empty object, which is where I attach the nav mesh surface to be to for baking the different nav mesh agent. And this is the ground. And I quickly built the scene with ProBuilder, the tool from Unity. So now we can take a look at the code first, and then we're gonna see how the game runs. So now let's take a look at the cop prefab. Here I disable the drive because I think it's unnecessary for this demonstration. And I have a nav mesh agent, and the most important thing is I have a script attached to it called the police control. And here you can see I have um, an array of waypoints which is assigned to reference to these waypoints, and I have the ghost prefab and a max distance for the ghost agent for the ghost smoothing implementation. And now let's go to the police control script. So I have this public reference here, obviously. Well, let's look at the general thing first. This is the waypoints, the way it's assigned, and here you have a random initial index, which means every time I start the play, the police will wants to go to a different um, waypoint, which is not fixed. Also, it has random initial direction. Also, yes, initial direction for both agents. And here in the patrol method, which is the very important part, where I have this is the way I loop through different waypoints, and it's a looping. It does in a looping way, which it goes from the previous waypoints to the next, and then keeps looking back and forth. And initially, I tried to do the go smoothing method in a different way, which it didn't end up working well because it was conflicting with the NavMesh agent. So in the end, after consulting ChatGPT and some official document, I came up with this method to do the go smoothing. So I have the Ghost prefab, which it's here, and I instantiate the Ghost agent for both mage agent. And here is the important part where initially it was smoothing a bit too much to the point where the Ghost agent was very far away from police. So I set up a maximum distance to the from the agent to the Ghost, where if the agent is far further than the max distance, so set the distance to the Ghost current position. This is checking for if the agent has reached the destination already. So, and now let's quickly look at the rubber, which isn't much to say here. We have attached the bot script, which has predetermined many methods, but I only caught this wander, which is the one we want. But I did manipulate some parameters here to make it look more natural. Before we hit play, one final note. In the last minute, I did some final optimization where I found out if I set the max distance, fun goes to 1, and also set the speed multiplier to 1.3 f. It's so far the best looking way. So now let's take a look. So as you can see, the robber is wandering, and the police is patrolling according to the 5 waypoints, and the movement is quite smooth. And now let's go to the scene view, where you can see the connection between the robber and the police. Also, you should be able to see here, if you pay attention, there's the ghost agent and the object there moving. So a bit ahead of the police. And it's able to cycle through the entire map with a smooth movement. So that'll be everything. Thank you for watching.